everybody, this is your girl Vivian. I am back with another video. Y'all, I know it's been a couple of days since I've uploaded a new video. It's been a lot going on, work, trying to prepare for the fall, because I'm going back to school. So it's just been a lot going on these past couple of weeks. But once again, I do want to thank you to all of my new subscribers for subscribing to my channel. If this is your first time watching, please like, comment, subscribe, share my videos on all platforms. And as well as when you do subscribe, remember to click the little bell on the side. That'll keep you alerted each time I upload a new video. Before I get into this video, I just want to say this. I need all of y'all to keep y'all comments very respectful and keep it cute, okay? Do not come on my videos talking shit, because I will block you. I will not give you the time or the day. I will block you. You want to be ugly, you want to be disrespectful and leave ugly comments, you will get blocked, period. Okay, so I'm gonna just leave it at that. All right, we good, okay. So let's get into this video. Okay, hold on. Hello? Okay. Yeah. Okay, bye. Sorry, y'all. Okay, this video is just gonna be about how I'm trying to transition into natural hair. I just really want to stop putting perms in my hair. The last time I put a perm was in January. It was January 28th, I believe. So I'm almost 6 months in without having a perm since then. So this video is just going to be about, you know, the products that I'm trying to use. Again, if y'all have any comments, you know, any suggestions on what I should use and how I should, you know, do my hair and things like that, please leave it down below. And again, y'all, I'm going to remind y'all, please keep the comments cute. Please be very respectful. Again, I am a beginner. I am not a pro, okay? I'm still in the learning process. Again, as you can see, this is how I wear my hair every day. Just part it in the middle and twist on the side. Again, if this is not something I should be doing to my hair, being that I'm trying to transition, please let me know, but please keep it cute. You try to get ugly and out of line, I'm blocking you. I don't have time for all of that. I'm not going back and forth with none of y'all. So let's get into this video. I'm trying to transition, okay? I'm trying. Really and truly, going into 6 months, I don't miss putting a perm. I really don't. I like just having my hair like this. You know, keep in mind I have wigs. That y'all can see in my previous video. I have wigs, so that's a good thing. And I usually, when I wash my hair, I usually just part it in the middle, twist the sides, and that's how I wear until it's time to wash it again. But these are products that I picked up, that I'm starting to use. Again, my hair is really kind of iffy, so I'm just testing these products out. Y'all let me know in the comments what y'all think I should use, what y'all recommend. And as far as like, if this is not how I should keep my hair, what do y'all suggest? I don't know how to braid my hair. I really don't. I know how to twist, you know how you twist and stuff like that. But really what I do, I just part it in the middle, twist it on the side, and I pin it up. And this is how I have it. As you can see, this is how I have it. If y'all think that's not how I should do that, you know, being that I'm trying to transition, let me know in the comments. Keep it cute. Okay, so this first product I picked up is the Shea Moisture. And this is the Hydrate and Repair Shampoo. cleanse and restore extremely dry, brittle hair, sulfate free and color safe. I picked up the shampoo as well as the conditioner, and I also picked up the Hydrate and Repair Protein Power Treatment, and it's the Manuka honey and yogurt with Mafura, all that other stuff. You know, hey, I ain't got time to be pronouncing all those words. But I picked this up. I used this Sunday. Well, no, it was Saturday. I'm sorry, y'all. I washed my hair Saturday with all 3 products. And I really don't want to be judgmental yet. I'm going to try to use this again. Maybe give it about a couple of weeks just to see. I mean, again, this is just my first time washing my hair with those 3 products. I'm going to kind of give it some time. Maybe a few more weeks I'm going to use that and see how my hair really takes it. So far, so good. It really kept my hair soft. Really and truly, this product here, the Protein Power Treatment, it made my hair feel dry. I don't know. Maybe it's just me. Maybe that's how it's supposed to make your hair. I don't know. But to me, it felt really dry when I used this product last. So I don't know. I'm going to give it another try. A couple of weeks. I'm going to use it a couple of weeks and then we'll see from there. This next one I found, and all of them came from Target, is the Shea Moisture. You know what? I didn't realize this till now that this is for men. And I never noticed that when I purchased this on Target. But it's the African Black Soap and Tea Tree All 2-in-1 Shampoo and Conditioner. But this is for men. So, yeah. Whatever. But the product that really takes good in my hair and really keeps my hair soft, real soft, is Carol's Daughters, the Goddess Strength. This is the fortifying shampoo. I do have the conditioner and I do have the leave-in conditioner. They really take well in my hair. I don't know what it is, but Carol's Daughter, I can never go wrong with using that product in my hair. Even when I, when I permed my hair, before I stopped putting perms. Even before then, when I was putting perms on a regular basis and stuff like that, even using this product, I mean, Carol's Daughter, I can never go wrong with them. I don't know what it is. That product really works well in my hair. This, using the whole system, the shampoo, the conditioner, and the leave-in conditioner, works really well in my hair. It really kept my hair soft. But again, I'm still, y'all, in the learning process. I'm a beginner. Please just bear with me. Please do not be judgmental. Okay? If anything else, I would rather y'all give me tips and suggestions rather than criticizing me. Okay? I know a lot of y'all, when y'all hear my accent, y'all like to think that I'm from New Orleans. I am not from New Orleans, y'all. I'm not from New Orleans, okay? I don't know where people get this. Every time they hear my accent, they think I'm from New Orleans. Y'all, I'm telling y'all, I'm not lying to y'all. I'm not from New Orleans. I'm from Louisiana, but I was never born and raised in New Orleans at all. So, I'm sorry, y'all. I know every time y'all hear my voice, y'all think I'm from New Orleans. Oh, I get comments all the time. Oh, I can hear it in her voice. I know she's from NOLA. I'm not from there. I promise y'all. Okay? Okay. This next product I picked up is the As Am I Classic Coconut Wash with tangerine, coconut oil, castor oil, saw, palmetto, and whatever. I ain't gonna even try to pronounce that other word. But this is it. Smells really good. This is how it looks. This is what I did Saturday. I used this in my hair before shampooing my hair. I used this just to kind of remove the dirt and the oil and things like that. I really like to use shampoo. How you call that? Oh, y'all know what I'm talking about. It's like a pre-shampoo where it's just used to remove the dirt, all build up and things like that in your hair before you actually start to shampoo your hair. This is what I use to do that, to remove all the dirt build up and things like that in my hair. And then I started shampooing my hair with the Shea Moisture. Again, if this is not something that I should be using in conjunction, y'all let me know. Let me know in the comments. It didn't do anything to my hair. So, you know. But this one I also picked up at Target is the Carol's Daughter. Again, Margaret's Magic. I hope I'm pronouncing this right. It's a hairdress restore cream. I'm gonna leave it like that. But it's for dry, brittle, and textured hair. Deeply nourishes, restores strength, improves manageability. And this is it. This is what I picked up. And I've seen a lot of good reviews on Target about this product, so I picked this up. This is like, you know, after you wash and deep condition your hair and things like that, this is to put in your hair. I guess, you know, it's like a nourishing cream. Again, I mean, it took really well in my hair. But I still have to keep testing out these products. You know, even just using it one day, you really can't. I really don't want to be judgmental about some of these products yet, just by using it one day. I want to kind of use them, you know, for a couple of weeks, and then I'll come back with another review, you know, letting you guys know how my hair is going from there. Again, y'all, I'm still in the learning process. I don't miss perms at all. I love my hair like that, and especially while I work, we can wear like those bonnets or whatever. So that's a really good thing. And I mean, I don't miss it at all. And first of all, it's hot. It's hot. Ain't nobody got time, you know, for perms and stuff. I don't have time for that. So I'm glad, you know, I'm not desperate for a perm. You know, I really can do without it. But again, I mean, I could tell, like, right here, and yes, y'all, I have some gray hair. Don't judge me. Just because I have gray hair don't mean I'm that old. But it's a little wavy right here, you know, a little bit, and like in the middle right there. But I mean, I'm still in the transitioning process. Y'all let me know, because I'm going 6 months in. So y'all let me know, like, you know, what to expect. Like, if I know I have a long way to go, but y'all let me know what to expect. Again, I only tested out these products for about a day. The only one that I would not recommend using, and I don't know, maybe it works for y'all, but it definitely does not work for me, and I hate it. Miele's moisture prescription, however you want to call it, the Hawaiian ginger, that shit is crappy. You hear me? It's horrible. My hair does not take that at all. When I wash my hair, first of all, the shampoo itself was hard to come out of the bottle by pumping it. Was really thick and hard to come. So I'm like, what's going on? I mean, when I tell y'all my hair was nappy from start to finish. My hair was completely nappy. I don't know what's in that product. Maybe whatever is in it, my hair Because again, my hair is very iffy. Very iffy. I don't know what's in that product, but it definitely does not work for my hair. The shampoo, the conditioner, the gel, the whole product line of the Hawaiian Ginger, it's horrible. Horrible. My hair was nappy from washing the hair to after washing the hair. Even with the conditioner, my hair was nappy. I could barely through my hair. Barely comb through my hair. Never again. I do not recommend that product again. You know, who am I? You know, y'all probably watching this video like, she just told us she's a beginner, so what does she know about that product? I know one thing. When I used it in my hair was horrible. It was nappy. It made my hair nappy. I could barely comb through, even trying to detangle it. It was horrible. I don't know what's in that product. The shampoo, the conditioner, the gel, everything. Everything. I wasted my money on that product. Never using it again. But when the following week after that, when I used that Carol's Daughter Goddess Strength, my hair was soft the whole week. I could comb through the hair, even by washing shampoo. I could comb through the hair and everything. No problems at all. So again, you know, I'm still testing out these products. So far so good with the ones that I showed y'all. Again, I didn't realize when I saw this online this was for men. So, you know, don't judge me. But y'all let me know in the comments what y'all think I should do, how y'all think I should style it. I never had braids, you know, put in my hair. You know, I don't know how to braid my hair. This is the only thing I know how to do. Just twist and, you know, go on about my day. This is the only thing I know. But y'all let me know in the comments what I should do, what other products y'all recommend. Just drop it down below in the comments. I do thank you guys for watching this video. Thank you to all of my new subscribers again, for subscribing to my channel. Again, I'm just gonna leave it at this. Keep it cute. You don't, you're getting blocked. Period. I'm not going back with y'all. I had a few people coming in my comments being very disrespectful. I don't have time for that. I'm not gonna respond to you. I'm just gonna block you. Period. In a discussion. It's okay to have your own opinions, but be respectful about it. You're not respectful about it, you're getting blocked. Period. And that's all I have to say, y'all. I do thank you guys for watching. I will be back with another video. Have a great week. Stay safe. You know, I tell y'all all of this. I tell y'all this all the time. Follow the rules and stay safe. All right? Bye, y'all. Peace.